This is how to create a ripped paper effect in CorelDRAW. So let's start. First, download a picture from the internet. Adjust this paper effect over the eyes and rotate it. Now apply quick trace. Delete the original picture, ungroup it, and weld it. Add an outline and remove the fill. Now convert the picture to bitmap. Select RGB and press OK. Then copy the picture. Go to Bitmaps, then Mode, and click on Grayscale. Right-click on the picture and apply Power Clip. Right-click on empty space and paste the picture. Then send the picture to back. Now convert this paper picture to bitmap. Go to Effects, Adjust, and click on Tone Curve. Make it slightly darker. This way you can create a ripped paper effect. If you face any issue while doing this, comment below in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.